Hi everyone, Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a quick walkthrough on the Yamaha 190 FSH Sport. It has a T-top. I want to start in the back, and with the all Yamahas is a jet drive, so there's no outboard. Great area for entertaining, swimming, fishing. On the right hand side here you have 5-gallon dedicated bucket storage. Here we have the patented Yamaha cleanout port and the freshwater flush port also. We'll walk through the boat here. You can see all the rod holders, the T-top, the gunnels, the sides. They redesigned the live well in 2019 and pulled it up to the front, made it a little bit bigger. It still has the Max Air system, aerator. On the other side of the helm seat you have your battery compartment. You have a backrest here. At the helm you have plenty of space to mount additional electronics, a compass. There's the fuel management system. It has lots of features. It has a Clarion stereo installed, jet wash, and the cruise assist in the no wake mode. Walking forward, you can see the front deck, great for fishing. Has a storage compartment up front, anchor locker. This is insulated fish box here. You can see the tackle storage rack on the side. One of the unique features about all the Yamaha fishing models is the changing room. This one comes equipped with the removable privacy curtain. And there is a ton of storage down in here. Has a light, fire extinguishers mounted down here. Just a great layout on this boat for both fishing and pleasure. For more information, you can contact us here in Savannah at area code 912-897-9881. Thanks.